My name is Jason Vong, and here are 3 tips on turning your apartment into a YouTube studio. Before we get this video started, another round of the t-shirt giveaway has just started. For a chance to win, all you have to do is just be a subscriber of the channel and leave a comment down below. I will announce the winner at the end of the next video, so make sure you hit that bell notification to see when that video drops. Tip number 1, find natural light because it's free light and no one should complain about anything that's free. Find a window source inside of your house or your bedroom and figure out the block of time that's going to give you the most optimal lighting and plan your shoot around it. Back in my old place, the most optimal time to shoot was at the crack of dawn all the way to about 10 a.m., which was unfortunate because I didn't get up till like 8 a.m. and it just takes way too much time for me to prep and shoot. Luckily at this new place, we pretty much have good lighting throughout the day. Like today, we have a cloudy day. Nature's softbox pouring in some nice soft lighting to light this video. Thank you, nature. And when you're shooting a video, try to have that window source light the side of your face. What about external lighting? For those of you who've been following me for a while now, you know I have a light that I can just plug in to light myself, which I typically do if I don't have any more natural light coming in. Otherwise, there would be one extra thing that I would rather not have to set up. Bonus tip, I try to aim to have catch lights in my eyes whenever I'm shooting because it just helps bring life to my otherwise boring existence. Tip number 2, finding multiple sets in your space. So even if you're living in a small space, you can still have a variety of different shooting environments. For example, you can shoot flat like this in front of your computer or in front of a TV with a cool background playing in the back. But what I love to do nowadays is to add depth into my videos. So instead of shooting flat or 2D, I position myself and my camera to the corner of the room and shoot it diagonally. So it helps me create this illusion that I'm in a room that's bigger than it actually is. And I did this a lot back when I lived in a place that's smaller than this. And if you feel like your background is a little messy, try using an f1.4 lens or f1.8 or even a 2.8 lens and sit about yay close, and it should help blur out the mess in the back. Number 3, be mindful of sound. So luckily for us, we live in a very quiet area. I mean, they are gonna start construction on a hotel about a block down, so hopefully it doesn't get too loud. Anyways, regardless if you are shooting in a big or a small room, likely you're gonna run into some echo. Now we can get those sound foam boards and piece it around the wall to help eliminate the echo, but it doesn't fit the aesthetics that we're trying to go for. So my alternative solution to that is to use a lav mic. See, whenever we talk in front of our camera, our voice is gonna project to this corner behind the camera, and it's gonna bounce back to that corner, and it's gonna bounce back to the camera. So if you're using a shotgun mic, it's gonna be no bueno. But with the lav mic, when the sound travels back from that corner, my thick neck right here blocks the sound. See, I don't need any foam board, my neck does the job. It's also nice that we have carpets because this helps absorb sound, but if you live in a place with hardwood floors, try getting some carpets or blankets, have it over your floor, and it should help minimize the echo. And if you need to do any voiceover work, you can do it inside of your closet. A good thing about having a girlfriend that owns a lot of clothes is that these make for great sound absorptions. Really expensive sound absorptions. This costs 200 bucks? And yes, I have a monitor inside of my closet. See, I'm a type of person that gets distracted really easily. I concentrate much better in solitude. So if I need to get an edit done or if I'm planning to write a new video, I would move my laptop in here. And whenever I'm ready to leave the room, I always like to say, Vivian, I'm coming out of the closet now.
Again?
Yes. If you're interested in seeing a more advanced YouTube studio setup, give this video a like. Once this video hits 1,000 likes, I will make that follow-up video. And if you guys have your own YouTube channel, drop a comment down below and I'll stop by your channel to say hi. And the t-shirt giveaway winner from the last video is Teddy Ted. Teddy, send me a message via the email on my about page of the YouTube channel and we'll send you out the shirt. Guys, happy 2019. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.